students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new topic, weight, converting kilogram into gram, addition of weight and subtraction of weight. Are you ready for the class? Okay. All of you take your text, page number 99 in your rough book also. Okay. Our topic is weight. Weight. Okay. The standard unit for measuring weight is kilogram. Kilogram. The standard unit for measuring weight is kilogram. Standard unit. Standard unit is measuring weight is kilogram. Kilogram. Okay. Kilogram. Short form of kilogram, kg. Kg. Okay. Weight is measured in kilogram, gram and milligram. Weight is measured in kilogram, gram and milligram. Okay. To measure smaller weight, we use gram. Smaller weight. To measure smaller weight, we use gram. Okay. Then to measure larger weight, weight, we use kilogram. Kilogram. Short form of gram, G, and kilogram, kg. Okay. Standard unit of weight is kilogram. Standard unit എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏതാണ്? കിലോഗ്രാം ആണ്. In the case of weighറ്റിന്റെ കേസിൽ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് യൂണിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കിലോഗ്രാം ആണ്. അല്ലേ? സ്മോളർ വെയിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഗ്രാം ആണ്. അല്ലേ? സ്മോളർ വെയിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഗ്രാം ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഗോൾഡ് ഒക്കെ അല്ലേ? ഗോൾഡ് ഗ്രാം എത്ര ഗ്രാം എന്ന് പറയത്തില്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. Then larger weight to measure a larger weight ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ മെഷർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കിലോഗ്രാം അല്ലേ? നമ്മുടെ വെയിറ്റ് ഒക്കെ എത്രയാ? കിലോഗ്രാം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് മെഷർ ചെയ്യാറ് അല്ലേ? കിലോഗ്രാം എന്ന് ഇതിലാണ് മെഷർ ചെയ്യാറ് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും നിങ്ങളുടെ വെയിറ്റ് ഒക്കെ നോക്കുക കേട്ടോ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എത്ര കിലോഗ്രാം ഉണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ വെയിറ്റ് എന്നൊക്കെ നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ ഇപ്പം നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് ഒരു സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ വാങ്ങത്തില്ലേ? ഷുഗർ ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കുക അത് എത്ര കിലോഗ്രാം ആണെന്നൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കുക കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ. Then 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. അല്ലേ? 1 kilogram എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1000 gram ആണ്. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay. 1 kilogram എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1000 gram ആണ്. Okay. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Next one is converting kilogram into gram. Okay. Short form of kilogram, kg, and short form of gram, g. Okay. Short form of kilogram, kg, and short form of gram, g. Okay. Small letter g. Okay. Then our next topic is converting kilogram into gram. Converting kilogram into kilogram into gram. Okay. To convert kilogram into gram, we multiply the number of kilogram into 100. Number of kilogram into 100. Number of kilogram into 1000. Number of kilogram into 1000. Okay. Here one example for you. Example 1. Convert 3 kilogram into gram. Convert 3 kilogram into gram. Okay, how to solve this problem? How to solve? Okay, all of you listen here. First one, convert 3 kilogram into gram. 3 kilogram into gram. Convert 3 kilogram into gram. Solution. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Here we want to find 3 kilogram. 3 kilogram equal to 3 into 1000 gram. 3 into 1000 gram. 3 into 1000. 3 into 1000. 3000. 3 into 1000. 3000. 4 into 1000. 4000. 9 into 1000. 9000. Okay. 3 into 1000. 3000. 3000 gram. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Write it. Second one is convert 8 kilogram. Convert 8 kilogram and 500 gram. 8 kilogram and 500 gram. Okay. 8 kilogram and 500 gram. 500 gram and 20 gram like convert it as well. No. Okay. So we want to convert 8 kilogram to gram. Solution. 8 kilogram 500 gram. Okay, 8 kilogram. That means 8 into 1000. 1 kilogram equal to 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1 into 1000. Even here 8 into 1000. 8000. 8000 gram. 8000 gram. 8000 gram plus 8000 gram plus here gram 500 gram. Okay, 500 gram. 8000 plus 500. 8500 gram. 8500 gram. Okay, all of you listen here. The question is convert 8 kilometer into 8 kilometer 500 gram. Okay, 8 kilogram and 500 gram. 8 kilogram and 500 gram. Okay, 8 kilogram ne 500 gram ne convert ചെയ്യണം. So here ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് 500 gram ആണ്. 500 gram ne വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ ഗ്രാമിനെ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല അല്ലേ? ഈ 500 gram ഇതിന്റെ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. നമുക്ക് 8 kilogram മാത്രം കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. 8 kilogram converted into gram. 8 into 1000 8000 plus 8000 gram കിട്ടില്ലേ നമുക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ 8000 gram plus 500 gram. 8000 gram plus 500 gram. You got the answer 8500 gram. Okay. Write it. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then exercise 3.6. In exercise 3.6, how many questions are here? I will explain one or two questions and remains are your homework. Okay. Exercise 3.6. Convert the following kilogram into gram. Convert the following kilogram into gram. Kilogram into gram. 5 kilogram. First one. Take a rough 5 kilogram. Equal to solution 5 kilogram. 5 into 1000. That means 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 5 into 1000 gram. We got the answer 5000 gram. 5000 gram. Okay. Write it. Write it. Did you finish? Did you finish? Okay. Then our second question. Second question. 6 kilogram. 6 kilogram. How to convert 6 kilogram to gram? You solve this problem. You solve it. Okay, we solve this problem. Okay, listen here. 1 kilogram equal to 1 kilogram equal to. Okay, good. 1000 gram. We want to find out 6 kilogram. 6 kilogram equal to. Okay, 6 into 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000. Okay, good. 6000 gram. Answer is 6000 gram. 6000 gram. Okay. How many persons get the answer? Please raise your hands. Please raise your hands. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Correct the answer. Write it. gram. First one A 3 kilogram gram. Okay. Second one, 3 kilogram, 496 gram. 3 kilogram, 496 gram. Okay, listen here. Solution: 3 kilogram, 496 gram. Okay. First we want to find out the 3 kilogram into gram. 3 kilogram into 3 into number of kilogram into 1000 gram. 3000, 3 into 1000, 3 into 1000, 3000 gram. 3000 gram. Then 3000 gram plus here 496, 3000 gram plus 3000 gram plus 496 gram. 496 gram. Okay, we got the answer 3496. 3496. Okay, I will explain one more time. 3 kilogram, 496 gram. Okay, first we want to find out the kilogram into gram. 3 kilogram into gram. 3 into 1000, 3000. Then 3000 gram plus here 496 gram plus 496 gram. Okay, we got the answer 3496. Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay. Next one, third one. Next one. So it will be 4 kilogram, 4 kilogram and 486 gram. 486 gram. Okay. Listen here. 4 kilogram and 486 gram. 4 kilogram, 486 gram. Firstly we want to find out the 4 kilogram into gram. 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000. 4000 gram. 4000 gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Then 4000 gram plus 486 gram. 4000 gram plus 486 gram. Okay. Answer is 4000 plus 486. Answer is 4 kilogram 486 gram. Okay, firstly 4 kilogram converted into gram. 4 into 1000 4000 gram. Okay, then 4000 gram plus and this gram 486 gram. 4000 plus 486, we got the answer 4486 gram. Okay, write it. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Remains your homework.